Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of like a little tutorial, but this is a fun way to gift a shaker embellishment. And what we're going to be using are these adhesive square label pockets. As you can see right here, I've seen people turn these into shakers, but this is kind of just gifting it as a shaker. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm finally getting around to using these because I saw Bona, who has Live Love Scrap. She made like a little flip book with these. But I was like, you know what? Because the minute you take this off, it's a sticky sticker. So you would have to back it on a piece of cardstock or, you know, some type of pattern paper before you can give it to anybody. But I did find, so this is my sewing machine, the setting, the minute I turn it on, like a straight stitch. And it's 2.5, and that line right there, that first thing, means like how close your each stitch is going to be. So I'm going to shrink that down. I mean, 1.4, I mean, that's tiny. I don't want to go any smaller because I don't even know. But the tighter the stitch, the better, because when you start ripping, the thread's not going to pop up. So you're going to get your little pockets, and you're going to stick whatever your sequins mix that you're going to do. Just enough or a lot, you could do whatever you want. And then you are going to stitch, see the lid, the lip where it is? You are going to stitch this in a perfect square all the way around, just so it's, even though it's sealed on the sides, you still want that cohesive look of the stitch all the way around. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I just stitched all the way around. As you can see, like how tight each of the like how close each of the stitches are. And when you first start it, you need to do a back stitch to reinforce it, and then when you end it, you need to do a back stitch to reinforcement. And you will literally just gift these like this so that the person can get it. I'm going to show you right now. I was shocked that it didn't rip. So here's the sticker, right? But it's sewn onto the paper. You guys, you literally can just start ripping. Right, so your swap partner, you're gonna have to leave a note. It comes off. Okay, so this is the sticky part. Literally, you just peel it off, and the thread doesn't come up. But if you have like some loose far apart stitch, it will come apart. And then sometimes, not all the time, these little pieces get stuck, but not a lot. But now you have this little shaker pocket. It's super sticky, ready to go, and you can kind of use this as like a doily. Like you're gonna end up layering on top of it. I don't know where I should put mine. This is just like a bag I'm decorating. But once I do like all my embellishments on top of this, I already have a little shaker on here ready to go, and it's just barely gonna be peeping out what to put ephemera or rosettes and stuff. But that's just a fun way to give some shakers. It's already there, it's already a sticker, and it's ready for them to decorate. Okay, so real quick, off camera, because I wasn't going to decorate, and I was like, you know what, forget it, I'll decorate so I can show you guys just like how it could be used. It's just in the background, I layered it up, just a little bit is peeping through. If you shake it, you know, I mean, that's the whole part about layering, is covering stuff up, which is so hard to do, but I did, and it just looks cute. I added little pom-poms and the ephemera pieces on top and some chipboard. And I love the mini Tim Holtz attacher. I just love the size of the staples versus like a big mama stapler. So, all right, bye guys. I'll catch you on the next crafty video.